What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today this is my second upload of the day, and I'm gonna show everybody a note to my guide on how to clean up your PC and help boost your performance. So first, you have to go Windows R, or you could type run and search programs or whatever. It's already here. Prefetch. Press continue. Control A and delete. And just press skip in these. That cleans up that. Second, Windows R again. Type in temp. Control A, delete again. You press skip in these. Alright. Third, Windows R again. Not control. Percent. Temp. Percent. Control A, delete again. And I guess you just skip the rest of these. And that's it. Alright, last thing, you go to, number 4, you go to this cleanup. And these are like the, just cleaned up files, thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bin, delivery, optimization files, DirectX, DirectX should catch, temporary internet files, and download program files. Just go clean up system files. And just clean up. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Just press delete files. And this is how you like clear out the unneeded files you don't want or need on your computer to help boost your performance. Alright, it looks like that's it. So that's just a little small ultimate guide that you can do to clear out unneeded space in your computer to help like boost performance and clean out your PC. Yeah, that's it really.